FHM versus Home Assistant. Which smart home platform is better? Choosing the right smart home platform can transform your home automation experience without unnecessary complexity. We'll briefly explore FHEM and Home Assistant, two popular options for smart home control. FHEM and Home Assistant are both open source platforms for smart home automation. The core difference lies in their approach. FHEM is Perl-based and highly script-driven, while Home Assistant uses Python and focuses on user-friendly interfaces and broad device compatibility. FHEM is a Perl-based home automation server designed for users comfortable with scripting and manual configuration. It works by running on a local server or Raspberry Pi, connecting to various smart devices through protocols like Z-Wave, Zigbee, and more. FHEM's strength lies in its flexibility and extensive support for a wide range of hardware, especially legacy devices. Its modular design allows users to customize automation rules deeply, making it ideal for tech-savvy enthusiasts who want total control. However, this power comes with a steeper learning curve, as setup and maintenance require knowledge of Perl scripting and command line interfaces. The user interface is functional but not as polished or intuitive as some newer platforms. FHEM is perfect for those who prioritize customization and have experience with programming or want to integrate niche hardware not commonly supported elsewhere. Home Assistant is a Python-based, open-source smart home platform known for its user-friendly experience and strong community support. It runs on local hardware like Raspberry Pi or dedicated servers and connects to thousands of smart devices through integrations including popular brands and protocols such as Zigbee, Z-Wave, and MQTT. Home Assistant offers a modern, web-based interface with easy setup wizards and visual automation editors, making it accessible for beginners and advanced users alike. Its strengths include extensive device compatibility, regular updates, and a large library of community add-ons and integrations. While Home Assistant provides powerful automation capabilities, it balances complexity with usability, allowing users to create automations without deep coding knowledge. However, it may require occasional troubleshooting and learning to maximize its full potential. Home Assistant is ideal for users seeking a flexible yet approachable smart home platform with a focus on ease of use, broad device support, and active development. Comparing FHEM and Home Assistant highlights distinct user needs. FHEM excels in flexibility and supports a wide array of legacy and niche devices, but demands scripting skills and patience during setup. It's best for users who want granular control and are comfortable with Perl. Home Assistant, on the other hand, offers a polished interface and broad compatibility with modern smart devices, making it easier for newcomers and those who prefer visual automation tools. In real-world use, FHEM suits custom complex setups with older hardware, while Home Assistant fits most users aiming for quick integration and ongoing support. The trade-off is between FHEM's deep customization versus Home Assistant's user-friendly design and community-driven development. Both platforms run locally, ensuring privacy and reliability, but Home Assistant's frequent updates and add-ons make it more adaptable for evolving smart home needs. Choose FHEM if you want maximum customization, have Perl experience, or need to integrate legacy or uncommon smart devices with deep control. Opt for Home Assistant if you prefer an intuitive interface, broad device support, and active community development. It balances power and usability, making it the better choice for most smart home users looking for a reliable and constantly improving platform.